Hello everyone, we are going to discuss number 3 question of CSIR June 2018. The question is given, consider three vectors v1 equals to 2 I cap plus 3 k cap, v2 equals to I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap and v3 equals to 5 I cap plus j cap plus a k cap, where I, j, k are the standard unit vectors in a three-dimensional Euclidean space. These vectors will be linearly dependent. Mark this word actually. He is saying these vectors will be linearly dependent if the value of a is how much. So basically हमें a का value निकालना है and these three vectors are v1, v2, v3 are linearly dependent, right? Okay, so these are the options given here. 31 by 4, 23 by 4, 27 by 4 and 0. So first of all, question में given already that is linearly dependent. Yeah, that means what? If the determinant of the matrix formed by taking these vectors as column is equals to 0, उसका determinant कितना होना चाहिए अगर उन वेक्टर्स को हम कॉलम पे ले, यानी कि देखो v1 आपका कितना है 2 i कैप प्लस 3 k कैप. Here y component is 0, right? So x component आपका कितना हुआ 2, z component कितना हुआ 3 and y component is 0. So हम बोल सकते हैं इसको कॉलम में लिखेंगे, ये वाला आपका v1 को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 2 0 3, है ना. x component 2, y is 0, z equals to 3, right? Similarly v2 आपका देखो v2 is given I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Here x component is how much 1, y component is 2, also z component is 2. So here this column, the middle column is represent v2. Okay, similarly the third column is representing v3. The x component is 5, y component is 1 here and the z component is a. Okay, so 5 1 a. So now we are solving the determinant and that is equals to 0, है ना. determinant कैसे solve करते हैं देखो. So taking 2, हम क्या करेंगे 2 into a minus 2, right? Similarly here if I am taking 1, put negative sign, then क्या हो जाएगा 0 into a, that is 0, and 1 into 3, 0 minus 3. Similarly if I am taking 5, so it will be 0 into 2 0 minus 3 into 2 6. Simple, जैसे determinant solve होता है. Okay, so it will be now 2 into 2a minus 2 minus 1 into 0 minus 3 plus 5 into 0 minus 6. We will get 4a minus 4 plus 3 minus 30 equals to 0, that is 4a minus 31 equals to 0, and a equals to how much 31 by 4, that is in option A. Okay, so option A is correct, and you have to remember when the given vectors are linearly dependent, we must satisfy this, that is what, determinant of the matrix formed by taking these vectors as column is equals to how much 0. Okay, thank you.